Hi there, my name is Connor Murphy.
Hi, my name is Orla Phelan.
Hello, my name is Chisom Igwe.
My name is David Joyce.
Hi everybody, my name is Grania Byrne.
Hello, my name is Maddie Remy. I'm a 24-year-old product design graduate from TU Dublin with a lifetime obsession of building products and exciting new inventions.
So if you tried to reach Reddit in 2019 and the site was unreachable for some reason, I might have caused it or was part of the team trying to fix it.
We designed a facade construction technique that had never been done before.
Grew that to 35 salespeople, millions of revenue.
Psychosexual well-being solution for women.
I also worked in a primate research centre trying to develop a pharmacological treatment for autism by studying the social behaviour of monkeys.
To eventually generate an annual revenue of over £500,000 last year.
Creating a closed impact investment space.
The coolest thing I've worked on was an interactive citywide exhibition called Helsinki Tagged. Makes these with the stories on giant tags like this.
An AdWords bidding model that had a machine learning core, and we calculated and updated millions of our clients' bids every day.
Definitely the coolest thing I've been a part of was in 2017 when I attended NASA FISE in Houston, Texas, where we planned missions to Mars.
Hyperloop was the team name for SpaceX's Hyperloop pod competition, where we were tasked with building a pod for Hyperloop, the equivalent of getting between Galway and Dublin in less than 30 minutes.
Develop and create a patient educational video for cardiac pacemaker patients.
We're focusing on extracting ethanol from corn.
Building a 0-to-1 AI/ML product at Meta, through which we were able to generate more than 100 million in incremental revenue just in a year.
I've worked on over 20 published games, including the Lego games, which some of you might be familiar with.
It also appeared on the Apprentice in the UK.
Ideas and products from diverse sectors, from anything from sports tech to healthcare platforms, to accessibility products, all the way to game design.
What made this system unique was that it used Wi-Fi signals rather than a wearable device to detect if someone has fallen.
Career-related and finance-related information.
We're working on software to allow kids to upload their code to the space station and run it.
We enabled 4 million birthing kids' goods to be passed on to refugees in need.
The thing I'm most proud of is this little type side me designed and manufactured then, and they ended up in the Men in Black 2 movie.
The idea of building, growing and innovating with Ireland's brightest minds gets my heart racing.
It's the people.
The chance to work with like-minded people, and the chance to meet a co-founder.
I'm so ready for the next challenge, but this time I don't want to go it alone.
I want to affect change at scale.
Design something with more impact and more reach than any building ever could.
Really excited overall.
Meeting and learning from the people on the programme, meeting people that are from different backgrounds that also have a common goal.
I can't wait to see what we produce. I cannot wait to get stuck into something new.